Solana may see a 6.5% growth by July 10 per CoinDataFlow forecast. First, here's a glimpse of the recent price direction. Solana has moved down 1% in the last day and is currently near $77.89. Let's see what the analysts predict today. By July 10, CoinDataFlow expects the price to stand at $82.97, a gain of approximately 6.5%. Solana is expected to move higher to $78.85, according to Traders Union, a gain near 1.2%. According to CoinLore, it might approach $76.90 on the downside, a fall of approximately 1.3%. Another prediction from 30 Rates shows Solana could hit $75.09 on the downside, an estimated decrease of 3.6%. And to end, Crypto Predictions projects $67.57 by July 10, a projected drop of 13.2%. This is the most profitable forecast in the entire lineup. That's all for the forecasts. Let's check what's next in the data. The forecasts are laid out. Now let's examine the key figures. Looking at the forecasts as a whole, the likely range for price movement is between a decline of 13.2% and a gain of 6.5%, depending on the analyst. As the data shows, Crypto Predictions offers the top projected return with 13.2% gain in value by tomorrow. That means you could earn between $12 and $132 for every $1,000 you invest. When focusing on probabilities, Traders Union has the strongest forecast, carrying a 90% chance of success. From the total set of forecasts, I've put forward one consensus picture. According to combined forecasts, Solana is set close to $76.28. Here's the detailed picture. According to the consensus forecast, the price is expected to fall by about 2.1%. Put differently, your capital could also benefit by about 2.1% as part of that movement. With 1,000 as a base, the numbers might indicate $21 gained. In addition, the probability tied to this consensus forecast is around 85.1%. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. CoinDataFlow highlights that Solana could head higher. Traders Union highlights a neutral short-term stance. CoinLore points to further downside potential. Likewise, 30 Rates notes bearish momentum building up. A drop is additionally expected by Crypto Predictions, reinforcing the downside view. The consensus outlook shows Solana shifting downward over this 3-day horizon. Looking across the forecasts, 60% suggest Solana will trade lower. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Let's see how they compared with reality. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $77.84. Only 2 predictions matched the real direction. The closest prediction came from Gov Capital Collector. Time to sort the details one by one. Yesterday's span included 2 forecasts. As for ROI, several analysts ended in profit, with Gov Capital Collector showing the strongest gain at 2.4%. Here's a quick results overview. A visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. For today's numbers, Gov Capital Collector had 83.4% forecast probability and 2.4% in profitability. Accuracy came in at. Check the table and see whose forecasts aligned best with the real outcome. Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with Solana. Solana is positioned at 3rd place, with Cosmos leading overall at 7.9%. This comparison features Solana with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. If you found this Solana summary helpful, drop a like so I can keep improving these updates. See you next time.